like that you see me when no one else does? Do I like that it's easy to figure you out? If I can have you now, then easy's what I'm about.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class.
Morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking me. You are so happy and fresh today. I'm glad to see this. It means you are ready for biology lesson today, right?
Ready, Miss.
Good. Before we start our lesson today, it will be better if we are praying together. Chairman, can start please?
Attention, please. Let's pray together.
Yes.
Begin. Finish.
Okay, my student, look at this picture. Anyone want to argue about this picture?
Miss,
Yes, Nurul?
the picture is a human skeleton, Miss.
Yes, that's right. Well, today we are going to discuss about skeletal system. The skeletal system is a framework of bones, cartilage, and ligaments, which consists of all organs. The bones are different in shape, like long bones, flat bones, short bone, and irregular bones. Basically, human skeleton is divided into two categories. One is axial skeleton and two is appendicular skeleton. Now, let us discuss about axial skeleton in detail. Axial skeleton includes a skull, hyoid bones, vertebral column, and thoracic cage. The first is skull. Skull in Indonesian language is tengkorak, and skull in Latin language is cranium. Repeat after me,
Cranium.
Okay, good. The skull is mainly divided into two parts. One, head bones, also called cranial bones, and two, face bones, also called face bone only. All bones of cranium are flat bones and immovable joint which protect for the brain. Look at this picture. This is a cranium. Cranium consists the several bones. This is os frontal. This is os parietal. This is os temporal. This is os occipital. This is os sphenoid, ethmoid, os nasal, os zygomatic, os maxilla, and os mandibula. Seperti kita ketahui, di dalam tempurung kepala atau tengkorak ini terdapat beberapa tulang, yaitu diantaranya yang sudah Miss sebutkan tadi. Di situ ada beberapa tulang yang menyusun tengkorak ini. Okay, next, the second of the axial skeleton is a vertebral column. Vertebral column in Indonesian language is tulang belakang, and the Latin language is vertebrae. Repeat after me, vertebrae. Okay, good. The vertebral column of a backbone is S-shaped, which consists of 30 vertebrae. This picture of vertebrae, and the vertebral column forms an arch, the function of the support body weight. The connection between of bones that make up the vertebral column are called symphysis. The symphysis enable humans to perform variety of position and movement, such as standing, sitting, and running. Okay, the third is thoracic cage, or in Indonesian language is rongga dada. The thoracic cavity includes the three types of bones. The first is sternum. The sternum is tulang dada, yang biasa kita sebut di Indonesia sebagai tulang dada. And two, vertebral column, or tulang belakang. And three, ribs. In Indonesian language is tulang rusuk. Nah, next, three is the rib. Ribs in Indonesian language is tulang rusuk, and Latin language is costae. Repeat after me. Okay, good. The ribs are of three types. One is true ribs, two is false rib, and three is floating rib. Okay, with the axial skeleton complete, let's move on to the appendicular skeleton. The appendicular skeleton consists of several bones. This is two categories. One is upper limb or bagian atas in Indonesian language, and two is lower limb, bagian bawah in Indonesian language. Okay, upper limb or bagian atas consists of tulang selangka in Indonesian language, or in Latin language is clavicula. Repeat after me, clavicula. Good. The clavicula has a sternal end where it attached to the manubrium, and a cranial end which join the scapula. This is a clavicula. Clavicula in Latin language and Indonesian language is tulang selangka. Next, this is a scapula. Scapula in Latin language and in Indonesian language is tulang belingkar. The scapula is thin, flat bones, roughly triangular, and it has three boulders: the superior, the middle of vertebral, and the lateral of axillary. Okay, next, this is a humerus. Humerus in Latin language and in Indonesian language is tulang pangkal lengan. Next, this is a radius. Radius in Latin language and Indonesian language is tulang pengumpil. Nah, di tulang pengumpil ini dia selalu berdampingan dengan tulang ulna. Apa sih tulang ulna? Tulang ulna ini adalah tulang hasta. Jadi radius dan ulna ini selalu berdampingan, dan di sini dia diletakkan oleh otot. Okay? Nah, next, this is a carpal. Carpal in Latin language, or tulang pergelangan tangan in Indonesian language. Okay? Nah, the next is metacarpal. Metacarpal is tulang telapak tangan in Indonesian language, or metacarpal in Latin language. Okay, next, this is a phalanges. Repeat after me.
Phalanges.
Phalanges. Okay, let's move on to lower limb or bagian bawah dari tubuh manusia atau kerangka manusia. Nah, the lower limb consists of several bones, same of upper limb. First, pelvic girdle, or in Indonesian language is tulang panggul. The pelvic girdle in Latin language is coxa. Repeat after me.
Coxa.
Okay, good. Nah, coxa ini terdiri dari 3 tulang, yaitu tulang ilium, ischium, dan pubis. Next, this is a femur. Femur in Latin language, or tulang paha in Next, this is a fibula. Fibula in Indonesian language is tulang betis. Next, this is a tibia. Tibia in Indonesian language is tulang kering. Jadi, tulang kering dan tulang betis di sini selalu berdampingan layaknya radius dan ulna, dan disatukan dengan otot yang ada di tengah-tengah ini, tengah-tengah sini. Okay, next, this is a tarsal or pergelangan kaki. This is a metatarsal or telapak kaki, dan the last is phalanges, is jari-jari. Jadi, Ibu akan memberikan kesimpulan pembelajaran hari ini. Pembelajaran hari ini tentang skeletal system atau sistem rangka pada manusia, di mana sistem rangka itu terbagi menjadi 2 kategoris, yaitu axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. Nah, di sini axial skeleton ini terdiri dari tulang tengkorak, tulang rusuk, tulang belakang. Sedangkan appendicularnya itu yang bagian atas, ada bagian atas dan bagian bawah. Nah, itu merupakan sistem rangka dari manusia. Okay, I think enough. Any question, my student? Okay, now something. Ibu harap kalian dapat memahami materi ini dan dapat membedakan mana appendicular dan axial skeleton. Oke, dan Ibu harap juga kalian dapat memahami serta menghafal nama-nama Latin dari sistem rangka manusia. Okay, my student, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.